speak as a descendant of Obaiware the First, whom Ezechime wanted to kill through his own wife, the daughter of Obaiware the First. Uvi, the sister of Edeleyo. Chima was an Igbo man who came to Benin on a mission which was unknown prior to the time he instigated his wife to help him kill her own father. And refusing to follow the order of her husband killed her. Her husband is Ezechime, and the lady is Uvi.
Ndị be anyị asị, okwu n'ije ka azọ, ma ntị nụ n'ama nzọ. Mana ọ bụrụgoro na okwu n'ezua na ntị nụkwa n'ezua, internet ama nzọ. Internet will never forget. Okenye ni now asị that Ezechime bụ onye Igbo. Okwelene now Ezechime bụ onye Igbo. Mana ọchọ n'ikwelini na ọnịchọlene na wa corrupt now.
This is the royal family. This is the original family from the Benin Kingdom. Uba is the second son of Oba Esige of the Great Benin Kingdom. He and his elder brother Urobua started this kingdom. When his brother went back to Benin to ascend the throne, 3 years after being the Oba there, Oba Urobua mapped out the entire area that we call Anioma now, which is where they fought war, and then installed his younger brother as a new king over the kingdom that they formed. That kingdom, in their own words, in Benin words, which is our original word and language, was named Ikihme kingdom, means the kingdom of the conquered land, or the kingdom of conquerors. The Ikihme was translated to Onochi kingdom, the kingdom of those who occupied or who overcame. Okay?
Oba claim na Onochi, different Onochi, bife wagozi on nature from different places. Now, if you listen to that video very carefully, he's saying that they fought a war and they conquered the land. Of course, we know there is nothing like that, but let's assume that what he's saying is truth. If you fought a war, I've asked this question: do you conquer animals and trees as a conquering land? If they fought a war and the man went to be a king in Benin, and after 3 years he sent his brother to become a king in your village, which people do the Benin fight the war with? Do Benin fight war with their own person? That does not tell you that you fought a war with the originals of the land. I've asked this question in my former video before. I'm going to repeat it again. That does not tell you that you fought a war with the aboriginals of the land. Okuni de Kazo, Manante Nunyamanzo. This is not about who speak shall forget, but here will not forget. This is about reasoning. You can't constantly be narrating a story that does not connect. Now you have admitted that Ezechime is an Igbo man. Now you want to cook up a story that you don't know the reason why he came to Benin. You don't know the reason that, but you know that he want to kill Oba of Benin. So that you will cause a problem that does not, that have passed from thousands of years. You want to resonate it. Now that I've been able to defeat you, that everybody here is Igbo. But you have forgotten that you said it. If Ezechime is an Igbo man, it means that all the village he found is Igbo. And it's the village that he found that where people went and fight with, the Igbo village, and want to conquer them again. And now you are claiming that you are the original. They will send you back to Benin very soon. I'm out of here, Joe.